Hello, another vlog for Tuesday, and we're going to do a geocache, so I will see you on the journey. People think, or my mother thinks, or the rabbit, that those cows and sheep are going to attack us. What?
One on the right, it's a bit big. It's got a thing under its belly.
Come on.
Get out of here.
Yeah.
I bet you anything we're in the wrong bloody field. I'm not coming back this way.
We are.
Not, I'm going down the roadway.
Oh dear, dear. We was going to get a geocache, but we got chased by some cows. Well, my mum thought we were going to get chased by cows, didn't she, mother? And now we're going to another geocache, which is between those two trees somewhere behind the bushes, and on the right of us in the other field behind the camera, which I'm pointing towards me, is a field of deer. You may not be able to see them, but you might be able to see them. I can see them here, but if you can't see them, a picture will be up on the screen now. People, now we're back. Oh dear. The thing I need is alcohol. That's what I need. And then I'm going to edit this vlog, and then I will see you Wednesday. No, Thursday. That's it. So I will see you Thursday morning. I'll say. Or I might actually edit both vlogs on Thursday evening and then upload them there and then. So I will see you whenever, but I will see you Thursday. Bye.